Hey guys, welcome to Daddicated Vlog episode 4. My name is Andy, and in this one I want to share a little eBay story of how I almost got scammed by this lady who bought an iPod Nano. But first, another book recommendation for you guys is Atomic Habits. It's a book I read, I think, close to the beginning of last year. The book is about achieving your goals by having daily habits that you do that basically compound to, your big goal. So instead of focusing on, losing 50 pounds in a month or whatever, obviously that's ambitious and ridiculous, but you focus more on eating healthier, making healthier choices every day, or just keeping track of your small routines that you do, or stuff like that. Anyway, just the way that the author writes about that book was very interesting, and I really enjoyed listening to it. I believe it's either 5 or 6 hour listen, but it goes by fairly quickly because it was very engaging and interesting. I don't know, probably one of the top books I enjoyed listening to. Anyway, back to my story. So this was years ago, before I started doing eBay on more frequent basis, but I would occasionally sell 1 or 2 items here and there. And my brother-in-law, I think he was in high school at that time, maybe even middle school, he had iPod Nano, I think it was a 4th generation. And if any of you do eBay, you know how well Apple products sell online. So he asked me to sell it. And I sold it. I think it was like $80 or $100 on eBay. I sold it to some lady up north, and she messages me and tells me that she doesn't have it, even though my tracking number shows that it's delivered. So she started a return, and I'm like, well, can you check with the post office? Or she's like, yeah, I checked the post office and I haven't seen it. Or they haven't seen it, or whatever. So I was like, okay. So I refunded her money, but then I decided to write her this letter or a message. And I was like, listen, I'm a Christian person. I'm gonna do the right thing. And if you truly, you didn't find it and you truly are not stealing from me, then, God bless you. I wish you all the best. Stuff happens. But if you're ripping me off and you're stealing from me, then God will take much more from you than what you're taking from me. And might have been not like word for word like that, but in the gist of the message was that he will repay for me to you. And funny enough, the next day I get another message from her. I'm also a believer and I didn't feel comfortable with your message. So I went down to the post office one last time, and supposedly they had it, So magically, all of a sudden, she found the item. So she PayPal'd me the money for what it was worth, and we parted our ways. But it was just, to me, it was an interesting story that, and again, I don't know if she lied to me or not. I want to give her the benefit of the doubt that maybe that's what happened, or maybe my message touched her and she felt bad, or scared. I don't know. It was an interesting experience. Let me know what you guys think of this story. Leave a comment below. And if you haven't seen my other eBay stories, check out them in the cards or in the description below. And thanks for watching.